What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Range Rover that we have right here in Varesine blue. I hope I'm saying it right. It does look like grey to me, but nevertheless, dude, this is a blue color car. Now this is the Range Rover VELAR. I hope the lights and the lighting here, you can actually see the color, but yeah, to me this looks like a grey, but actually no, this is called blue. So Varesine blue. So now let's start off with the front of the car. We do have the amazing Range Rover lights, as we all know how gorgeous they look like with all the DRLs turned on. In a while more later I'll show it to you guys. Nevertheless, you do get amazing black like interior housing for a car like this, so it does look very much sporty indeed. Now for those lights, what we get is a beautiful grille that connects with the front of the car. I love how the grayed out finish on the exterior part right here, but the inner part is actually this dark black stuff happening. So love the design for this kind of cars, man, dude. Especially when it has this sort of like gray or bluish finish, and then there's this little bit of gray, and then this black. Is very sleek in every way possible. Now for the bottom bumper, what we'll notice is that you do get this bronze like finish for a front bumper with some gloss black openings here and there. Very gorgeous finish for the front. Love how they have this color. For any color you choose in the exterior, you always get this particular finish together with the black finish, so it does look very nice. Now I also like how they have this black finish right here, and you continue with the color right here, then down there's another black finish right here, so you can at least see the design of the car. Once this car hits the light out in the sun, it's even more beautiful. Now you do get the gloss black finishing down here, and then you do get this matte finish of a gray color front lip that goes across the whole front bumper. So that's what's nice. Now you do have your Range Rover number plate holder that goes right here. Your number plate goes right there, of course. You do get this mesh kind of a grill down here, air to flow through for cooling purposes. Then you do have your front camera right there. You do have your other sensors located all over the place, so that's very nice for a car like this. Radiator is right behind there. Now you do have your Range Rover gunmetal finish kind of like wording for the front hood. I also like how the top hood, you have all these lines that come across. It's not that edgy, but you can definitely see it if the car is under any certain light. Now let's move on to the yes, you do get your Land Rover wording right here for the front badge. That's what's nice as well. Now I like how once again you have all these gloss black finishes all over the place. Now for the hood itself, you do get your Range Rover kind of like cover for the top hood with this bronze finish on this side, so that's what's nice as well. And if you move on to the side of the wheels here, you notice you have a beautiful 20-inch wheel design. You do have it all in this blacked out finish. Love it. Tire size is 255/50 R20. Now they're using Pirelli tires for this, and it does look very nice indeed. Solid disc brakes on the inside part right there with your brake calipers, as well as your Land Rover badging right there in the center wheel caps with all those wheel nuts in that particular color. They're not following black, so you do have some contra happening down there. Very nice. Now for the side of the car, you do have this bronze lining, as you can see from here. Very cool indeed. I like how they have this gloss black finishing as well to complement this bronze kind of a color. Very cool. Now at the bottom here, similar towards the front bumper, I like how they have this black lining that goes across the whole side, and then at the same time you get this blue, this Varesine blue. At the same time you got this bottom gloss black finish underneath here. So that's very nice indeed for the side of the car. For the side mirrors, you have it in this gloss black housing. Very nice. The whole center partition of the car is in this blacked out finish, so it goes across from the front all the way to the back, but you do get the same color for the top and the bottom. But this whole piece in the black, this whole piece in the center is in this black finish. So yeah, that's what's nice. Blind spot assist for this particular mirror. You do get your side turn indicators located right here, 360 camera on this side, so that's what's very cool. Your door handles pop up, open it up, and let's take a look at the doors. You do have your door handles like right here, very nice and solid and big. You get your Meridian speakers down here together with the upper part right here. Now these are using the grained leather interior, that's what they call it, so that's what's very nice. I love the texture for this kind of finish. Leather finishes everywhere. You do get this aluminium sort of like finish, very nice. This gloss black finish as well, together with your window adjustments, handle to hold, to pull to close the door, compartment storage down here, speakers located down there. So love how they have this very nice solid finish, man. I like it. Now you do get your Range Rover side metal plates for the entrance of the passenger seat, electronic seats for the front passenger, together with the lumbar support and whatnot. Just check out the interior once again. Beautiful solid interior. Love the finishing of it. Seat belts also are in black. Love the lines and the stitching that happens right here. Perforated seats, of course. Now let's jump right in and have a seat inside right here. And the dashboard itself, you can actually feel that there's this very rough like texture. Very cool indeed. Love the gloss black and also this metal kind of like finishes happening around the air vents. So that's what's nice as well. You do have your glove compartment right down here. Very cool. Love the screen. Very clean like interior, especially the gear. But we will talk about this once we are at the driver's seat. But nevertheless, this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger side. Seat belts are in black. Very cool. Love the grain-like leather finish for the top sun visor. You get your fabric-like lining for the top. You have a fixed glass roof that's happening right there. Of course, you gotta, pull the shade back, but we will not be doing that right now. Shade opening and everything like that is all located here. So cool. Speakers, frameless mirrors, very nice. Now let's hop right down. Show you guys the back seat. Pop this up and check out the rear doors. You do have this grain-like finish of a leather, similar towards the other cars. You do have your bright finish of a door handle, very solid indeed. Gloss black finishing right here. You get your window adjustments up and down. Meridian speakers over here as well, together with down here. Compartment storage down here as well. Very nice hard plastic, but you do get this amazing finish of a leather finish all over the place for the door. Love how this looks. Now the inner part of the rear seats, of course, you can actually get the space actually feeling super spacious by moving the front seat a little bit forward, which has already been done. But check out the interior, man, dude. Once again, perforated seats, stitching right here in the center. Seat belts are in black. Love the leather finishing at the side right here, all the way down. Very cool. Hard plastic down here. You get your perforated seats for the bottom part as well. Now let's jump right in and take a look. Compartment storage down here. You do have an amazing rear seat design, leather finishing all over the place. Your air vent adjustments down here. You get your Type C, as well as your 12-volt socket for you to store some stuff. Very cool. Very nice. So that's what's very nice. Now right here I'm sitting at the rear passenger seat. Seat belts are in black. Love the top roof. Once again, it's not really open, but nevertheless, let's just leave it as it is. And down here, you notice, of course, you get your cup holders for you to keep, 2 of them. And this is me sitting comfortably right at the center. And that's exactly what I'll be looking at. Very spacious and very nice indeed. Love the layout. Very simple and clean way to put your gear, to change your gears. Now let's open up this, get right down, and take a look at the rear wheels for this gorgeous car. Now you do have gloss black finishing for the whole wheel, as you can see. Pirelli car tires everywhere. Scorpion tires is what they call it. Tire size is of course 255/50 R20. Solid disc brakes. Land Rover badging right in the center. Gorgeous. Fuel cap. Petrol goes right there. Cool. Let's check out the rear. Love how this looks, man. Very nice. Love the black housing for the whole centerpiece of the wherever your lights are going to be located. I like how they have these black things circulating the whole lights. The red brake lights, of course, we will turn them on shortly to show you guys how the DRL actually looks like. You do get this Range Rover wording in this gunmetal finish on the black, so that's what's nice as well. Number plate goes right there. You get your VELAR wording right here. You also get this black finish for the bottom, and you get this Varesine blue, is that what they call it, together with the black side right here for your reflectors that goes down here. So you see it's like blue, blue, black, black. So very nice how they have all these lines happening right here with two-tone finishing. The bottom right here also follows the body color up here, and also this part right here is in this grayish finish together with the black. So very nice as well. You have your sensors located all over the car. Very cool. Very, very cool. I also like how they have this right here. Very nice. That Range Rover sort of like logo. Let's open the boot and check it out. The boot space is superbly huge. We can fold down the seats from here. We will do that in a while more. But underneath here is your temporary spare tire. That's what you can actually call it. Some net to keep some stuff. And this should be a shade that you hook on to actually cover if you don't want people to see what's actually happening. But let's check out this right here. Hook. Another hook right here. 12-volt socket. Hook right here. Hook right there. Very cool. Let's fold the seats down. Let's fold down the seats. Cool. And yeah, check out the space, man. It's super huge. Now you can remove that railing. This particular shade, if you don't wish for it to be here, you can actually remove it from the hook right there. So very cool. Space is superb. Amazing space for a car like this. Plenty of stuff that you guys can actually store. As you can see, the boot space is absolutely huge. Very nice. We shall leave that as it is. Now we're going to move down to the front driver's seat. Door handles right here. Let's pull that open and take a look at the door. Once again, you get your door handles right here. Very nice. You do have your child lock for your rear windows, window adjustment for the back, window adjustments for the front. You have your side mirror adjustments here. You got 3 memory seats for the front driver's seat, and you do get your unlock and lock feature right there. Handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. Compartment storage down here. Speakers right here, Meridian speakers, very nice. Speakers right there. Love the grain leather interior finish for the interior car like this. Very nice with this gloss black a little bit here and there. Range Rover plate right here, very cool. Sport pedals, you have them in this kind of like a chrome finish together with the black, very nice. These are your boot adjustments together with the brightness for the display, I believe. Seat adjustments are electronic, so very nice. Let's hop right into the driver's seat and take a look at how comfortable the driver's seat actually looks like. So, okay, first of all, I love the paddle shifts at the back right here in this aluminium or metal finish, I believe. Very nice. I like how they have this lining that goes across the whole steering wheel, goes across the whole line, so I like that a lot. Range Rover wording right here. Cruise control should be over here. These ones should be controlling this screen in terms of what you want to see. Once again, I like all these metal finishes around the air vents. Love the leather finishing that's happening all over the place. Auto adjustments for the steering wheel. Start button should be over here. I like how it's angling up on this side. Screen, of course. Push this open. Wireless charging should be right here. Type-C charging right there. Other compartment storage down here. Once again, as I mentioned, the gear is very, very nice and super clean. You got your P and 2 cup holders right here. These ones right here, of course, if you push on it, you have your Type-C together with your USB-C, and also this will be your nano SIM. Nice compartment storage down here. Very, 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 very spacious. So cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Seatbelts are in black. As you can see, legroom is fantastic. Love the design-like finish for a car like this. Very clean, and the screen is very nice. Very, very nice. So now let's turn on the front lights to show you guys how does the front light actually look like. Let's take a look. Once again, love how the gorgeous finish of a car like this. Superbly huge and monstrous. The color of the car is in a very bright finish with the DRLs, like as you can see. Love the lines that go across from the side right here. They cut down and then it just cuts away here and then continues down here. So beautiful. Now let's jump right to the rear to show you guys how does the rear design of this car actually look like. You do have some lines right here. Let's close this down. And you do have the rear to be looking like this with the lines, and then it continues on this side and goes right there to the side. Love the dotted lines in the inner part of the light, so gorgeous indeed for a car like this. Now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys how does the signal turn indicator actually look like. So we have the signal lights right here behind the side mirrors, very cool. You have them right here as well on the top portion of the front lights, so very, very aggressive looking. I mean, I love the color, man. The color is very nice indeed. Varesine blue is what they call it, so gorgeous finish of a car, man. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about Range Rover cars, do head down to Sime Darby, where they have tons of cars on display everywhere. And they have a beautiful showroom, super spacious and super luxurious. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.